Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a freelance profile with Upwork, beginner guide step by step clearly. Creating a freelance profile on Upwork is an important step in finding clients and projects. First, visit the Upwork website and click on the sign up button to create your account. Choose to sign up as a freelancer and fill in your email address and password. After that, check your email for a verification link and click on it to verify your account. Next, complete your basic profile information, including your name and location. Now, focus on adding a professional profile photo that clearly shows your face. Moving on, write a catchy and concise title that summarizes your skills and expertise. In the overview section, explain what services you offer and how you can help potential clients. Make sure to use keywords relevant to your skills to improve your profile's visibility. Next, specify your skills by selecting the relevant categories that best describe your talents. Be careful to choose skills that reflect your experience and the services you want to provide. Now, set your hourly rate after research to understand what freelancers in your niche typically charge. It's time to fill out your work experience, including relevant jobs, freelance work, or projects. For each entry, explain your role, responsibilities, and any achievements you accomplished. Next, add your education and any relevant certifications that enhance your qualifications. Consider including a portfolio section to showcase your best work in previous projects. If you don't have existing work examples, consider creating a few samples to display your abilities. Finally, review your profile for spelling and grammar errors, ensuring it looks professional. Once everything is complete, submit your profile for review and wait for Upwork to approve it. After approval, you're ready to start applying for jobs and connecting with clients. Good luck on your freelance journey with Upwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.